Take a moment to check out the 2018 Toyota CHR. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this sporty CHR, the small, bold crossover that brings convenience, practicality, and distinctive style along on every drive. You'll love its comfortable driver-focused interior, touchscreen infotainment tech, driver assistance safety features, and chiseled lines. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls. Convenient and comfortable, yet anything but ordinary. This CHR grabs attention with its original style. Come and see for yourself when you take it for a spin. Our professional staff will make it the best part of your day.